Got a RAC file from a racing event organizer or timing system? This is a race application data file used by venue race management software for organizing competitive events. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and work with these race data files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the RAC format. But we'll attack the top issues first. RAC files are race application data files used by venue race management software for organizing and tracking competitive racing events. They store participant registrations, race schedules, timing data course information, and results, enabling race directors to manage all aspects of running competitive events from registration through final results. RAC data files use a structured format storing race event records with participant information including names, bib numbers, categories, registration data, along with timing checkpoints, split times, and final results. The format includes race configuration parameters, scoring rules, and reporting templates, specific to the venue race management application. The RAC file originated with and is formally handled by Venue Race Application developed by Concept2 Inc. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows shows limited internal detail, so proper reading depends on the program designed for that format. To find the correct opener, right-click the RAC file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with Venue Race Application first. If it's not present, select a different program and keep testing. If your RAC file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, opening with venue software. Install the venue race management application that originally created the RAC file. Use File then Open within the application to load the race data. The software displays participant lists, timing data, and results in its native interface, enabling race directors to manage events, review timing, and generate official results documentation. Next, examining the data. Open the RAC file in a text editor like Notepad++ to determine if it uses readable text format. If structured as text, the participant and timing data may be parseable for export to other systems. Binary RAC files require the original venue software for proper interpretation of race results and timing information. Finally, migrating to modern tools. For race organizers transitioning from venue, consider migrating data to modern race management platforms like RunSignup, RaceWire, or ChronoTrack Live. Export participant lists and results from venue to CSV format, then import into the new platform. This migration preserves historical race data while gaining current cloud-based features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.